back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Shivani. Now first I'm going to take this black eye pencil, and I'm using a Morphe eye pencil here, but you can really use any black eye pencil you have, and I'm really just starting to carve out the shape of my eye, and then I'm going to extend it a little bit, and I'm going to extend it upwards because I do want to lift my eye. You don't have to be very precise with this because we are going to go ahead and blend it out. Now using a pencil brush, I'm going to start blending it out. Now I'm going to dip into the rose gold palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to dip into black truffle and start building that color up. And then I'm going to pick up the shade called Cocoa, and I'm going to start blending it out on the top of this black eyeshadow. Then on this flat brush, I'm going to pick up a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to apply this where I would normally apply my eyeliner. So once you apply your concealer, open your eye completely and look up, and then you can see the concealer on top of your eyelid, and this is where you want to cut the crease of your eye. And this is the best way I feel like to cut the crease of your eye if you're a beginner with this. Once you apply your concealer on the crease, you don't want to set it with powder. By doing that, it's easier for the eyeshadow to stick onto the concealer. Now using that flat brush, I'm going to pick up this Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow, and this is in the shade Cotton Candy. This eyeshadow is really pretty. It has a peachy pink duochrome tone, and it has a little bit of gold in it. It's just so pretty in person. And I'm going to start applying this from the center of my eyelid, and I'm going to take it all the way out to my wing. And then I'm going to pick up the other Ace Beauty eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Ice Latte. And this one I'm going to apply from the inner corner to the half of my eye and blend the two together. Now on a very small brush, I'm going to pick up this highlighter from Laura Geller, and this is in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm going to apply this just in the very inner corner of my eye. Then I'm going to take this glitter eyeliner from Dose of Colors, and this is in the shade Stunning, and I'm going to apply this just in the center of my eyelid, and using my finger, I'm going to blend it out. Next, I'm going to take my favorite eyeliner at the moment. This is the House Labs eyeliner, and this is really nice. I told you guys before, it is really easy to work with. It is super pigmented. I really like this eyeliner. I definitely recommend this if you're looking for a new eyeliner. And when I'm doing my wing, I'm going to take the wing all the way out to the black eyeshadow and connect the two. Now I'm going to take a little bit of that concealer again, and I'm going to clean up the edges. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of Cocoa and Black Truffle, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line with this. And then I took that eyeliner one more time and just connected the lower lash line with the wing. And using a brush, I blended it out because I didn't want it to be too harsh. And then I took a little bit more of that Dose of Colors eyeliner and applied it just on the 1/3 of my eye. And then I took that black eye pencil in my lower and upper waterline. And then I applied a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Marc Jacobs mascara here. And here's the finished look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. It was really easy. It was really simple. I really hope you like these videos that I'm doing. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I will see you next time.